Hi students, today now I am going to discuss topic stereochemistry of SN1 SN2 reactions. Stereochemistry of SN1 and SN2 reactions. So first one, SN1 reaction of stereochemistry. SN1 reaction. So SN1 reaction means unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. For example, 1 comma 1 bromo, 1 bromo, 1 phenyl, 1 bromo, 1 phenyl propane. This compound name is 1 bromo, 1 phenyl propane. The compound name is 1 bromo, 1 phenyl propane reacted with aqueous NaOH. Reacted with aqueous NaOH to form racemic mixture. To form racemic mixture. pH C2H5H plus OH CpH C2H5H. So this compound name 1 hydroxy 1 phenyl 1 hydroxy 1 phenyl propane. So this is racemic mixture. This is racemic mixture. This is racemic mixture or racemization. So this reaction SN1 reaction. This reaction involved in 2 steps. This is reaction mechanism involved in 2 steps. Mechanism involved in 2 steps. First one, step 1. Step 1. So step 1 is a very slow step. This method very slow method. First of all, 1 bromo 1 phenyl propane stereochemistry. So Br H dark line indicate means front side of the atom C2H5. So dark line indicate means front side. Dotted line indicate back side. Carbon is central atom. Bromine above the plane, hydrogen below the plane, C2H5 front side, pH is a left side. So this is chiral compound. This is chiral compound. Chiral compound means carbon attached with 4 molecules or 4 atoms separated, called chiral. Chiral center indicate start. Chiral indicate start. So this reaction slow reaction. This reaction very slow reaction. So bromine eliminate very easily. So bromine easyగా eliminate అయిపోతుంది. So this reaction rate determinant reaction. This reaction rate determinant step. Rate determinant step to form carbocation. To form carbocation. Front side C2H5, back side pH. So this is carbocation. Carbocation. So first step, formation of carbocation. Formation of carbocation. This reaction or this step very slow step. This step name rate determined step. Rate determined step. So step 1, formation of carbocation, and next step 2. Next step 2. Step 2, carbocation attack with nucleophile. Attack with nucleophile. Attack with nucleophile plus OH minus. So OH minus is a nucleophile. Nucleophile attack on front side and back side. Attack with front side and back side to form racemic mixture. This reaction very fast reaction. This reaction is fast reaction or fast step. So form OH pH H front side C2H5, back side pH, and another mole of OH CH back side pH, front side C2H5. So this is 1-hydroxy 1-phenyl propane. So 1-hydroxy 1-phenyl propane 50% S configuration, 50% R configuration. So racemic mixture or racemization are formed. So this is stereochemistry of SN1 reaction. And SN2 reaction, stereochemistry of SN2 reaction. So what is SN2? SN2 means bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. This reaction, for example, Br H CH3 C2H5. The compound name is 1-bromo butane. The compound name is 1-bromo butane. 1-bromo butane reacted with aqueous NaOH to form Walden inversion. So OH CH C2H5 CH3. So this compound name is 1-hydroxy butane. 1-hydroxy butane. So the compound is a Walden inversion. So this is SN2 reaction. This reaction involve in mechanism only one step. So mechanism only one step. Step 1. So first of all, carbon Br H front side daughter line C2H5 C2H5 and dark line means front side, daughter line means back side. So bromine is above the plane, hydrogen is there below the plane. So the reacted with nucleophile, OH minus. So OH minus attacked with only back side, This step is very slow step. Nucleophile attacked on back side. So this carbon is chiral carbon. So nucleophile attack on only back side to form transition state. Here OH H C2H5 daughter line CH3. So this is intermediate. So intermediate compound name transition state. So this compound is intermediate. And another step, fast step, elimination of bromine minus Br to form Walden inversion. So this is Walden inversion. So this is a SN2 reaction. So stereochemist of SN1 and SN2 reaction, very most important in exam phantom. Next class we will be discussed another topic.